Need an air conditioning solution in Harrisdale that delivers performance, reliability and value? At Gildan Air Electrical, we specialise in providing high-quality air conditioning Harrisdale installations, repairs and servicing for homes and businesses across Perth's southern suburbs. Our licensed technicians ensure every system operates efficiently, reducing energy consumption and maintaining consistent comfort all year round. Whether you need a split system upgrade, ducted installation or seasonal maintenance, we deliver professional service backed by years of industry experience. From precise installations to responsive breakdown support, Gildan ensures your environment stays cool, safe and cost-effective. For expert advice, quotes or service bookings, contact Gildan Air Electrical today. Visit www.gildanaerelectrical.com.au or call 04 288 9 2229. Your comfort is our business.